Intel, I love you guys. Or at least I try. Would love you even more if you actually started sending me review samples. But even I have to question this, because what on earth, Intel? Why on earth did you just kill what is probably your most iconic branding, the Core i series of CPUs? Because yes, you heard me right, Core i CPUs are officially dead. And we kind of had leaks about this for a while now, back when we saw some mysterious screenshots of a CPU called Intel Core Ultra. And now we know exactly what it is. A mistake. Or more specifically, brand new branding for Intel's main line of CPUs, because they had the innovative idea to take out the I in Intel Core i and replace it with the word Ultra. So now you have Intel Core Ultra 9s, 7s, 5, etc. Why? Well, no one knows. Probably not even Intel. And this isn't the first time they pulled something like this off, because recently they also renamed their Pentium and Celeron processors to just Intel Processor. How creative. And yes, it might seem dumb, but at least it's some way to add freshness and newness to the stagnating CPU naming scheme, and at least it builds some excitement for the upcoming CPUs. And that isn't even the only thing that's changing, because Intel is also essentially resetting the numbering on these CPUs, so they aren't going to start with the number 14. Probably for the better. So let me know what you think of this down in the comments below, and while we stay here, make sure to check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month goes a long way. I'd also like to thank my existing Patreons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, AKB, Justin Ray, Jenna Ronyak, Balash Welcome, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. Down you can find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all whenever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Good. Bye.